Wild animals. I am a lion cub. My father is the lion. I live with my pride in the jungle. We roar loudly and play under the sun. Touch and feel my mane. I am a bear cub. I live in the forest with my mama. We play near rivers and eat berries, fish, and honey together. Touch my soft fur. I'm a baby elephant. My mama is the biggest land animal on earth. We live and travel together in a herd. Touch my big ears. I'm a giraffe calf. My father is the tallest animal in the world. We have long necks and blue tongues. Touch and feel my beautiful spots.